Baked mooncake, a typical Chinese dessert. Baked mooncake is a traditional Chinese dessert that is enjoyed during the annual Mid-Autumn Festival, which is celebrated on the 15th day of the 8th lunar month. This sweet and delicious pastry is made with a thin pastry shell and a variety of sweet fillings, such as lotus seed paste, red bean paste, and salted egg yolk. It is a popular food item for gifting and sharing with loved ones during the festival. The origins of baked mooncake can be traced back to the Tang dynasty, 618 to 907 AD, where it was first created as a tribute to the moon goddess, Change. Over time, it became a popular dessert in Chinese cuisine, and is now enjoyed throughout China and in Chinese communities around the world. To make baked mooncake, a thin pastry shell is filled with sweet fillings, which are then baked until the pastry is golden brown and crispy. The fillings can vary depending on the region and personal preferences, but some of the most popular flavors include lotus seed paste, red bean paste, and jujube paste. One unique feature of baked mooncake is the use of salted egg yolk as a filling. The egg yolk is often placed in the center of the pastry, and is said to represent the full moon during the Mid-Autumn Festival. In addition to its delicious taste, baked mooncake also has cultural significance in Chinese mythology and traditions. It is often associated with the legend of Change, the moon goddess who is said to reside on the moon. Eating mooncake during the festival is seen as a way to pay tribute to the goddess and to bring good luck and prosperity in the coming year. Baked mooncake is also a popular dessert for food enthusiasts and home cooks to experiment with, and there are many variations and adaptations of the traditional recipe. Some people like to add modern twists to the classic pastry, such as incorporating chocolate or fruit flavors into the filling. In recent years, there has been a growing trend towards healthier versions of baked mooncake, with some bakeries and shops offering low sugar or low fat options. These healthier versions still maintain the traditional flavors and textures of the pastry, but with a healthier twist. Overall, baked mooncake is a delicious and culturally significant dessert that has captured the hearts and taste buds of people around the world. Whether enjoyed as a traditional pastry or in a modern adaptation, baked mooncake is a sweet treat that continues to be celebrated for its taste, cultural significance, and festive spirit. Sure, there's more to know about baked mooncake. One interesting fact about baked mooncake is that it is often given as a gift during the Mid-Autumn Festival. The festival is a time for families and loved ones to gather together and give thanks for the harvest and the blessings of the year. Baked mooncake is a popular gift to give to friends and family members, and is often presented in decorative boxes or baskets. Another variation of mooncakes is the snowskin mooncake, which is a non-baked version that is popular in southern China and Southeast Asia. Snowskin mooncakes are made with a soft, chewy outer layer made from glutinous rice flour and filled with a variety of sweet fillings, such as durian, green tea, or chocolate. In addition to its cultural significance, baked mooncake also has a range of health benefits. Many of the traditional fillings, such as lotus seed paste and red bean paste, are high in protein and fiber, and are a good source of essential nutrients. Some mooncakes are also made with low sugar or low fat fillings, making them a healthier option for those watching their diet. Finally, baked mooncake has become a popular food item in many countries around the world, particularly in countries